Here's the real way to change a close friend story to everyone in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. On Instagram, you cannot directly switch a close friend story to a public story after posting. There is no official toggle for this. Open Instagram and tap on your current story. At the top of the screen, tap Close Friends. Add the remaining people from your followers list. Tap Done when finished. Now, almost everyone can see the story, but technically, it's still a close friends story. Tap the 3 dots on your story and select Delete. Repost the same photo or video. This time, do not tap Close Friends. Tap your story instead. Now, your story is visible to everyone. Close friend stories are locked by design and can't be converted after posting. Always double-check before tapping. Close friends to avoid reposting. And that's it. That's how to change an Instagram story from close friends to everyone in 2026. Subscribe for more Instagram tips.